Welcome to my channel. We are in Elora, Ontario. There's a gorge back there, river. It's really nice. Nice cozy area. Never been here before. I passed by, but never really stopped to look around. Figured it's a good opportunity. So, can just show you some scenery and I'll get back to you. Yeah, so really steep, scary looking. I don't know if you can see down there. That is, wow, pretty steep down there. Beautiful though, beautiful, fresh air. Gotta like that. It's different. Yep, that's some stairs to climb. Yep. Oh, beautiful, look at that.